that was just a preview of the reaction of the fans inside the first screening here at Light Mall for Can't Help Falling in Love. Sobra grabe yung first part, sobrang comedy, and the next part puro iyakan naman. So grabe talaga tong movie. Actually, to be honest with you, though I cover their press cons, I haven't really watched any Kathniel movie. Pero grabe yung pagkagawa, Direk May. Sobrang ganda talaga ng movie, pati yung writers. Sobrang great job talaga. And this is, even with international standards, I could say it's a very entertaining movie. No boring parts. The last movie I really loved was Saving Sally. Pero your movie right now, I'm sure it will go off the roofs. Ngayon, naghihiyawan pa rin yung mga fans sa loob sa last part. So, sobrang galing talaga ng performances na actors. And yeah, si Daniel Padilla syempre, sobrang nakakatawa. Pati ako nakikilig din sa mga scenes. And si Catherine din, galing din. So talagang overall, talagang must-watch movie. And talagang totoo pala na you will want to watch it over and over again. And I believe it's good for the whole family. And maybe it should even get a higher rating. Basta sobrang okay talaga to. So again, this is David from whatsup.ph, and here's with the Kathniel Ka-Dreamers. Yan. Grabe, sobra tong movie na to. Congrats ulit, congrats. Again, this is David reporting for whatsup.ph, and you guys will really love the movie. Ay nako, ang ganda pa rin ng mga lines din. Sige po.